The 2025 Aprilia RSV4 is a masterpiece in the world of superbikes, designed to deliver outstanding performance, advanced features, and an exhilarating riding experience. With its cutting-edge technology and sleek design, this bike continues to set benchmarks in the industry. The RSV4 is powered by a 1099cc V4 engine, which produces exceptional power and torque, ensuring thrilling acceleration and top speeds. Its aerodynamic bodywork not only enhances performance but also gives it a bold and aggressive look. The lightweight aluminum chassis, combined with advanced suspension systems, provides excellent handling and stability, making it perfect for both track and road use. The 2025 model boasts updated electronics, including a new ride-by-wire system, multiple riding modes, and advanced traction control, allowing riders to customize their experience to suit their preferences and skill levels. The 6-axis IMU ensures precise cornering abs, wheelie control, and launch control, making it a highly versatile bike. The Brembo braking system offers unparalleled stopping power, giving riders confidence even at high speeds. In terms of comfort and convenience, the RSV4 features a TFT display with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing riders to access important information and stay connected on the go. The ergonomics have been refined for better comfort during long rides, while the adjustable foot pegs and handlebars cater to individual rider preferences. The 2025 Aprilia RSV4 also comes with a quick shifter for seamless gear changes, enhancing the overall riding experience. This superbike is not just about performance, it also excels in aesthetics. The striking color schemes and premium finishes make it a head-turner on the road. LED lighting adds to its modern appeal and ensures excellent visibility in all conditions. If you're passionate about high-performance bikes, the Aprilia RSV4 is a must-have. It combines power, precision, and style in a way that few bikes can match. For more exciting reviews, specs, and features of top vehicles, subscribe to our channel and stay updated with the latest in the automotive world.